Berjaya pun saya. Boleh juga saya berjumpa dengan Standish. Apa yang berlaku sekarang ni guys? Adakah bahaya ni guys? Maklumat apa perlu dicari?
Charles Standish?
Holy crap!
Charles, where is Dr. Morgan Michaels?
Lee sent you. Didn't he?
Wow, janganlah tembak
He
kekasih
wants to kill me?
saya.
You told him to
Apa
do
salah
it.
saya?
Do it himself.
I'm not with the demons.
Saya ni budak
I'm not
baik.
with Sable. I'm a reporter. I
Nah,
want to
untuk
see me
kamu.
stopped. Just like you.
What? I've heard your byline.
Relax, Standish. Janganlah
Sybil
tembak
won't listen to
saya. Saya nak tolong kamu.
She has Michaels in the Bowery. They're moving him to a new safe house tomorrow at noon. But she's totally ignoring Grand Central.
Grand Central.
The demons were talking about it when they held me. They're going there to get...
Oh, siapakah lelaki
You
tu
what,
kat
Charles?
atas tu guys?
What do the demons need to get at Grand Central?
What the...
Sorry, Standish.
That was not a Sable guy.
Sorry
Definitely
tau.
not a Sable
Saya
guy.
tidak sengaja.
Sorry, Charlie. Okay, time to go.
Okay, jom.
He
Kita
knows
lari
something.
MJ. Bahaya kat sini. Gak telah datang kat sini guys. Aduh.